Hi all, myself Siddesh, property manager of Princetown apartment located at Shettihalli, Jalali West. We are very happy with the service from Trinity Computer Solutions. Mr. Sibin has done a great job. We have installed more than 41 cameras we have installed with NVRs, and their service is wonderful. Their quality and their commitments and their reports, they have given the drawings as well. So we are very lucky to get this kind of vendors, and they are very reasonable price. So I wish good luck for them, and you can contact them anytime for your any requirement of CCTV, computer issues and any other technical. So thank you.